Hello students, in the previous class we have started problems on word problems, that is related to linear equations in two variables, right? Now today we will complete this chapter. Only two questions are remaining, that is question number 5 and question number 6. So let us do that. So students, first you see question number 5 and then we will do question number 6, and remaining questions of this exercise are omitted. Okay, so only question number 5 and question number 6 are remaining. So let us do that. See question number 5. Sanjay gets fixed monthly income every year. There is a certain increment in his salary. Now see, from this statement you can conclude that his salary is fixed, means whatever amount he is getting, his monthly salary is fixed, that amount has to be there, and after that every year there is some increment in his salary, and that increment is certain, means suppose for this year they are increasing 100 rupees, then for the next year again they will increase 100 rupees, same way they are going continuing. Okay, now see, after 4 years, his monthly salary was rupees 4500, and after 10 years, his monthly salary became 5400 rupees. Then find his original salary and yearly increment. So let us consider his original salary to be X rupees and yearly increment to be Y rupees. Now see, after 4 years means what? His salary will be increased by 4 times of whatever yearly increment is there. That means 4y. Similarly, after 10 years means what? 10 times yearly increment plus fixed salary we have to consider. Then you will get 4500 and 5400. So let us solve this problem by using two variables x and y. And our first variable x is what? Original salary, and second variable y is yearly increment. So by using these x and y, let us solve question number 5. Okay, so first we will consider x and y. So see the solution. So first thing is what? We are considering x and y. So let original salary be x rupees. Okay, and yearly increment be y rupees. Okay students, so we have considered original salary to be x rupees and yearly increment to be y rupees. Now we will use conditions. Let us use first condition. Okay, so by first condition. Now what is first condition? After 4 years his salary is 4500. Now after 4 years means what? First thing is original salary is x, that will be there, plus 4 years means what? 4 times increment, so 4 times of y. So x plus 4y equals to 4500, and this is your first condition. Same way you can form second equation by second condition. Now for second condition, what is the condition? Fixed salary plus after 10 years means what? 10y, and the salary is 5400 rupees. So this forms your second equation. Okay, now we need to solve equation 1 and equation 2 simultaneously. For that purpose you can see coefficients of x are 1 1. So after subtraction x and x will go, that is subtract your first equation from second equation. Okay, so let us do that. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2 From equation 2 means you are going to write equation number 2 first, okay, and then equation number 1, that is x plus 4y equals to 4500. Now students, you are subtracting, so you need to change the sign of second equation. Okay, so this positive becomes negative, this positive becomes negative, and this positive becomes negative. Now x minus x will go, that is cancelled. Now see, 10y minus 4y will give you 6y, because 10 minus 4 is 6. And here 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 4 minus 5 is not possible, so it will borrow 1 from this 5, so it becomes 14. 14 minus 5 will give you 9, and here 4 is remaining, so 4 minus 4 0, so no need to write. So finally you are getting here 6y is equal to 900. Now transfer this 6 to right hand side, so that it becomes 900 divided by 6. Now do the cancellation of this 900 by 6. So if you do 6 1 ja 6, 3 is remaining, so it becomes 30, 6 5 ja 30, and 1 0. So here you got y equals to 150. Okay, so we have value of y here. Now we want to find out the value of x. So put this value of y in first equation. So putting y is equal to 150 in equation number 1. Okay, now see your equation number 1. In this equation you are going to replace this y by 150. So your equation becomes x plus 4 into y means 150 and equals to 4500. See this equation. Okay, we have replaced y by 150 and remaining things are as it is. Okay, you can see x as it is, plus 4 into y is replaced by 150 and equal to 4500 is there. Now let us simplify this. This is x plus 15 4 is 60 and this becomes 600. Okay, now transfer this 600 to right hand side, so it becomes 4500 minus 600, and you know 4500 minus 600 will give you 3900. Okay, so finally your x value is 3900. So students, we have x value and y value. And what was your x initially? Original salary, and your y increment. So let us write that. Therefore monthly salary, or you can say original salary means x na. So x is what? 3900 rupees, and yearly increment is how much? 150 rupees. Okay, so this finishes our question number 5. Now we will do 6th question. Okay, so be ready for that. So students, see the question number 6. The price of 3 chairs and 2 tables is rupees 4500, and price of 5 chairs and 3 tables is 7000 rupees. Then find the price of 2 chairs and 2 tables. So that is your question. Now see, in this question there is two things, chairs and tables. First thing is what? Price of 3 chair and 2 table is 4500, and second thing is what? 5 chair and 3 table cost you rupees 7000. Then you need to find out the price of 2 chair and 2 table. Okay, so we need to find out price of 2 chair and 2 table, but don't consider it x and y. Instead you consider price of 1 chair to be x and price of 1 table to be y, so that it becomes easier for 3 chair 2 table and 5 chair and 3 table. You can easily form for 3 chair 3x and for 2 tables 2y, so your equation becomes easier. So that is why we will consider that price of one chair is X rupees and price of one table is Y rupees, and then we will use first and second conditions. So let us do that. Okay, so be ready for this solution. Okay, so let us consider, let price of one chair be X rupees and price of one table be Y rupees. Okay, so price of one chair X rupees and one table Y rupees. Now we will use first condition. By first condition, students, see first condition. 3 chair means what? 3x. 2 table means 2y. So together cost is 4500. So your first condition is 3x plus 2y equals to 4500, and your second condition is 5x and 3y equals to 7000. So let us do that. First condition is what? 3x plus 2y equals to 4500. So let us write 3x plus 2y equals to 4500. This is your first condition. Now by second condition is what? 5 chair 3 table, cost is 7000. Now we need to solve these two equations simultaneously to get the values of x and y. Okay, now how to solve? See the coefficients of x and y. Here coefficients of x are 5 and 3 and coefficient of y are 3 and 2. So you need to make either coefficient of x same or coefficient of y same. If you want to make coefficient of x same, then multiply this equation by 5 and this equation by 3. That is 5 goes here and 3 goes here. And if you want coefficient of y same, then you need to multiply by 3 here and multiply by 2 here. So it is easier. Okay, so let us do coefficient of y same. So for that purpose, multiplying your first equation by 3 and second equation, that is equation 2, by 2. Okay, so multiply this equation by 3 and this equation by 2. So first do this, multiply this equation by 3. So this becomes 3 3s are 9x, this becomes 3 2s are 6y, and here 45 3s are you have to do. So for that purpose let me do this. 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. Call it your equation number 3. Now in this equation multiply by 2. So 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14, so 14,000. Call it equation number 4. Now you can see coefficients of y are same, so you can do subtraction and y will go. Okay, so subtracting equation number 3 from equation number 4. Okay, so let us do subtraction of third equation from 4. So write fourth equation first and then write your third equation. So 9x plus 6y 13,500. Now since we want to do subtraction, so see what we are getting here. 10x minus 9x will give you x, and here if you do, you will get 500. Okay, so finally we have x value. Now put this value of x in first equation. So putting x is equal to 500 in equation number 1. Now what is your equation number 1? You can see here 3x plus 2y equals to 4500. So in this equation replace x by 500. So this becomes 3 into 500. You can see here 3 into 500 plus remaining things will be as it is. So plus 2y equals to 4500. Now simplify this. 500 3s will give you 1500 plus 2y, this is 4500, Now take this 1500 to right hand side, so this becomes minus 1500, and if you do this you will get 3000. 2y equals to 3000, so y equals to 3000 divided by 2, and if you do 3000 divided by 2 you will get 1500. Okay, so finally we have x 500 and y 1500. Now what we want to get price of 2 chairs and 2 tables. So let us write our answer. Therefore price of 2 chairs and 2 tables is, 2 chair means 2x and 2 table means 2y. Now let us find out this. 2 into x is 500 plus 2 into y is 1500. 2 into 500 will give you 1000, and here you will get 3000. So addition will give you 4000. So finally you got price of 2 chairs and 2 chairs and 2 tables, 4000 rupees. Okay, so students, today I have done question number 5 and question number 6, and I am hoping you all have understood this. Now in the next lecture I will be taking test of this lesson, question number this lesson chapter number 5, and remember you have to revise 5.1 as well as 5.2. okay, and for this term you are having lesson number 5, lesson number 6 and lesson number 7. So revise, complete your notes properly and come on this Friday for correction. Okay, bye, we will meet on Thursday for correction purpose.